How to find your OKX wallet address. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily find your OKX wallet address on your OKX wallet app. Now the process itself is pretty simple and easy. So first things first, you want to open up your OKX wallet. In my case, I'm not verified, so I'll just be guiding you through. So at the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to see OKX, Discover, Trade, Grow, and Assets tab, right? Simply tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you'll be able to see the deposit option. So you want to simply tap on deposit. Now, I'm not verified, so it's not showing me up the option, but once you tap on deposit, you'll be able to see the particular crypto. You'll be able to see the option to select the crypto. So you want to select the crypto that you wish to deposit. And once you do so there, it'll ask you to select the deposit network. So once you select your crypto and then select your deposit network, you can go ahead there. You'll be able to see, simply tap on proceed, and you'll be able to see your deposit details, that is your wallet address. So this is how you can find your OKX wallet address. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.